This is the way you make steak. I got the steak there. The Spanish way. Spanish steak, people. So, I got that there. You're going to add some steak grilling seasoning. Yes, indeed. Sofrito. Yes, a little hot right here. Sofrito. I made it mess. See that? Sofrito. Now I have here, you can either cut the onions and the pepper, or you can buy this, the seasoning blend. I use part of that. And then on the end, after it's cooked, I use the beef gravy on top. I will show you the end product in a few. So cut this, add it in here also. After you added this. I get this at Target. It's good. You go not only use it for grilling, for also the stovetop. This is how it looks 10 minutes after. Now you add the gravy. Dun, 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 dun. You don't even have to use the whole jar. I'm using half. Like that there. Yes, indeed. And then you let it go just for 5 more minutes. In 15 minutes I did this. And then you serve it. I'm choosing today instead of rice. I usually do rice with steak and cebollado, but this time I went with fully loaded potatoes. So how simple that is, quick and easy. So until next time, thank you, please subscribe, and give it a thumbs up if you like.